Shivom, decentralized goal to change global healthcare through genomics. So the DNA of 1 in 10,000 people are used to generate medical data. The goal is to make genetic testing available to everyone. Most enterprises right now are using centralized databases, which is a central point of failure. Hackers can breach one database and get all the sensitive data. Using blockchain, you can use privacy and the universal connectivity to share data and keep your privacy. Well, Shivom is looking at the social impact of the OmniX token to give freedom of everyone having control of their own healthcare. Shivom is forward-thinking by using blockchain and people to empower themselves all over the world. Well, what is genomics? Genomics is the branch of molecular biology concerned with structure, function, evolution, and the mapping of genomes. Genomics is more prevalent in Western or developed countries. However, globally, the mapped genome hasn't been established. With global genomic consensus, pharma companies and doctors can use all nationalities to tell exactly what makes someone sick and to create new infrastructures to develop new cures. Well, what's the problem then? Well, to make direct-to-consumer genomics businesses open and fair to everyone and beneficial to all users. The Shivom platform uses blockchain technology to create a disruptive genomic ecosystem. It ensures data is owned by the donors themselves, and it ensures transparent and secure bridges to organizations interested in using that data. Well, why is it revolutionary? Well, Shivom has an entirely global vision with the goal of integrating multiple services into one interconnected ecosystem, and then leveraging collaboration and partnerships to make this happen in a one and open, transparent way. Shivom is utilizing a complete set of benefits that blockchain technology has to offer, and while this vision is large, it's not entirely out of reach, and they put together a business plan and a team that's capable on executing this on a global scale. So what is Shivom's revenue model? Well, Shivom will earn revenue through pharma companies who want to use the data to support their drug development programs. Additionally, customers who want their answers based on their uploaded DNA sequences will use the platform to purchase various healthcare apps at a nominal fee. Eventually, customers will be able to order Shivom sequencing kits directly via the platform, and all this can be done via the utility token OmniX. Well, what is the OmniX token and what do I use it for? Well, the OmniX token is a voucher that can be exchanged for goods or services in the Shivom ecosystem and platform. Well, how will you collect the DNA data? Well, donors will be able to upload their data sets from other third-party websites like 23andMe or Ancestry.com and others, and by uploading the data to the Shivom platform. There is no cost to do this. Eventually, users will be able to order DNA kits from Shivom directly. This way, donors will be able to provide their DNA sample and will be sequenced at either Shivom's labs or a partner's lab, and then uploaded to the platform. Well, what are they doing with the crowdfunding for this ICO? Well, the OmniX tokens will be a usable currency of the Shivom platform and has a number of use cases within the platform itself. The money raised will be primarily spent on the sequencing campaigns to generate data for the platform and for pharma research and consumers. They will then be opening up sequencing centers for business development in order to build partnerships with key stakeholders. We'll dive into this more when we actually get into the white paper. Well, let's quickly look at the token sale. Well, the OmniX is an ERC20 token with a soft cap of 15 million, which has already been reached, and then a hard cap of 35 million USD. The total tokens distributed are going to be 990 million, and 1 ETH is going to be 70,000 tokens. Well, let's quickly dive into the distribution. We have 33% for the token sale, 14% to the founder, 10% to advisors, 20% to the growth pool, 20% to the reserve, and then 3% to the community. Well, what kind of payments would you use to take part in this? Well, this is interesting because there's a lot of tokens you can use to purchase the OmniX token. You have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, ETH, Lisk, Litecoin, Monero, Neo, Quantum, Ripple, Verge, Zcash, Euros, and USD. So you can use fiat to buy. You can even use Verge, of all coins, to buy. So KYC is in place for this project, so you'll need proper identification to participate, and then realize right now there is a current huge backlog for KYC approval. So if you're interested, get your information in right now. It also excludes US residents. Well, thanks for tuning in today for this intro ICO look into the Shivom platform. This is a really interesting project that's going to bring a global consensus to genome and human data. That way, pharma companies and doctors can collaborate on a consensus and global scale. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you